How to stop black mold. Black mold, which is formally called Strachybotrys atra, has a green and black color. Black mold can grow just about anywhere, including inside and outside. Black mold grows best in areas that are damp and shaded. It is important to stop black mold because it can be a health hazard. The best way to stop black mold is to keep the area dry and remove its source of food. Things you'll need: spade, rake, aerating tool, detergent, dehumidifier, fan, mold prevention product. Outside black mold. Be aware of where black mold may form in the lawn, such as in the swale or at the bottom of the side of a hill. Keep the area well drained. Dig up and grade lawn if necessary. Keep the area dry, and expose it to as much sunlight as you can. Cut back any tree limbs or shrubs shading the area. Look for any signs of mold formation. Check under the soil because black mold does not just grow on the surface. Keep potential problem areas fully mowed. Remove any grass clippings or leaves with a rake. Aerate the lawn with an aerating tool. An aerating tool punctures a small series of holes in the lawn. Aerating the lawn provides improved drainage and helps fertilizer get into the soil. Use a regular fertilization schedule. Fertilizer helps the grass grow and helps prevent black mold from growing. Don't overwater the lawn. Water early in the day. Watering during the evening gives the black mold a better chance to grow. Dig up any spots where mold begins to form with a spade. Dig down a few inches, and also dig a few inches around the spot. Replace the area with dry soil. Inside black mold. Check for water leakage where you find black mold, particularly in a basement. Water can come from a leaking pipe or by seeping in through the walls of a basement. Fix the source of the leak. Check outside to make sure there is proper drainage away from the building. Mix 1/2 cup of detergent for every gallon of water. Scrub the floors and wall with the water and detergent solution. Remove items in a room that can collect moisture. These include books, magazines, paper boxes and newspapers. Check for signs of mold on furniture, carpets and rugs. These may also have to be removed. Ventilate the room as much as you can with fans. Keep the room as dry as possible. Use a dehumidifier or install a ceiling fan. Apply a commercial mold prevention product to walls and surfaces that are particularly susceptible to mold growth. These products are available at most hardware stores. Tips: warnings. Attack any potential black mold in its earliest stages.